Hello everyone, this is a very important case study related to the switch mode power supply. When you have this kind of switch mode power supply which does not have any optocoupler, okay, you can see that there was no optocoupler feedback circuit is present, and the actual PWM IC is busted. You cannot read the number from the IC. You have to use this kind of STR, right? This kind of STR, but the STR number 4, pin number 4 is need the feedback circuit, but it does not have any feedback circuit. You can see that this kind of Smps also has this kind of feedback circuit, right? This kind of feedback circuit, sorry. So in this case we don't have any feedback circuit, but you can do a trick that you can make a feedback circuit like this one. Okay, I make it, and this feedback circuit is actually used in 19 volt feedback circuit, Smps feedback circuit, right? So in this case, in this way you can do the modification. Okay, this power, the final output is present here, and the optocoupler output is present on the STR and the ground pin of the. If you don't know how to wear this kind of STR, you can comment me, I can make a video. Okay, but in this case we can focus on this type of problems. Okay, when you don't have any optocoupler, okay, so you have to build this circuit. I can show you the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. You can snapshot this circuit diagram. Okay, it is a 19 volt power supply circuit diagram, feedback power supply. Okay, and I can power this up through a series bulb. Okay, this is a series bulb. Let's power up. Okay, and check the voltage, final output voltage. 1 second. One second, I cannot probe in my one hand. 1 second. Yeah, you can see that 19.4 volt. Okay, this is not this is present. Okay, there is no glitch, and we can use that to make our power supply. Okay, thank you for watching.